Hi everyone, this is my presentation. This painting was the one I like and it was called I and the Village by Marc Chicot. The first thing that I noticed is there's a lot of color in this painting. For example, the green, red, white, blue, and dark green and yellow. The second thing that attracts me is that there are lots of shapes. Like I drew this in the museum and I found that there's a triangle and there's a lot of triangles actually, and semicircles and rectangles. Also there's like a circle and it's very obvious. The lines, I found that there are lots of straight lines like the nose and the chin. Also there's some curved lines. I took this picture in the public library and I think that this is very interesting because it contains lots of geometric shapes in the architecture. So I drew this. I used different color to represent different shape. This is rectangles, and there are many letter shapes and also triangles. This one I found in Bryant Park. Also, I separate these into different shapes. There's a rectangles and semicircles and triangles from this area, and also the rhomboid. This. So this painting was the one that I don't really understand, and it was called The Kitchen by Picasso. The first thing I noticed is that there are lots of lines, like straight lines and curved lines, and there seems to be randomly placed. And the second thing is there are lots of geometric shapes, like triangles and circles, and also triangles, and there's a square. Another important thing that I want to mention is that there are lots of dots. Although I don't really understand why there are dots, but I think it's very interesting. And the thing that I don't really understand is that the name of this painting was called The Kitchen. However, like I can't tell from the painting that it's actually a kitchen because I can't see anything that represent a kitchen. Like I think those lines might be drew just to illustrate the shape of something. And I have another guess that maybe Picasso drew this from above, and so it looks like a floor plan, and that's just my guess. And so I drew this one. I just drew the lines that attracts me, like there are lots of straight lines, and this one I found in public library. It's a window, and I can find many rectangles like these. Also a semicircle, and the thing that reminds me of Picasso's painting is the line. This line, I think I saw this in the kitchen. This is an umbrella I found in Bryant Park, and I think it's really interesting because the structure of the umbrella is very complex, and this reminds me of the dots because the dots in Picasso's painting also connect lines. So also I can find many geometric shapes in the umbrella. So I drew this. You can find many letter shapes and triangles and the rectangle. This is the taxonomy I made for I and the village. Basically, I just cut the shapes I found and grouped them. Like these are semicircles and these are triangles that I found. Like the nose is a triangle, so I put it there. And these are the rectangles and these are the circles. Also, I collect the color of the painting and basically just this color, and I think there's some more, but the basic color of these, so they are very like obvious, and the lines, as I said, is most of them are straight lines, and also there's lots of curved lines. So this is the taxonomy for the kitchen, and the lines are very randomly placed, and also they shape many geometric shapes, and I grouped them. And for example, these are the circles and semicircles and triangles. I found this and I put it here. These are the rectangles. Oh, and this one doesn't have that much color, so it just has some warm yellow and gray and black. This one was just a sketch of my my own artwork. So I got my inspiration from Picasso's painting The Kitchen, and first when you look at this you might not be quite clear of what exactly is it, but this one I called it the bed. it's basically my bed, and I put some stuff randomly on my bed, like this is an iPad and the pillow and my cell phone, also with the rabbit ear. It's my cell phone case, and the hanger, also there's 3, and there's a mirror and a book and a coffee cup, and I just put those objects on my bed, and then I drew them, and then I tried to find some relationship, so I used lines to connect, just randomly connect these, and then I found it's very interesting that I first I found this is very like a man's face, so I used dots to connect the outline of the face. Also, there's another one, and this is the eyes, and the third one is here, and fourth one is here. These, I think, it also could be considered as a combination of I and the village and the kitchen, because in I and the village there is a man, like there's a man with green face, and there's a goat, and they are facing each other. So there are also 2 men in my drawing. So I think it could be a combination of them. So I think I'm going to use color to paint them, and I think the final piece should be very interesting. That's it. Thank you.